Oh yeah, miracle plank. Come check your future balance. Come check your future account balance. Your future account balance here.
Okay.
Direct live. You go see. You go show you here. Bring the money.
How much?
Bring 1,000. If you don't get 1,000, bring 500. Oh yeah, put one leg here. One leg here. Oh yeah, one leg here. One leg here. Oh yeah, wait. Oh yeah, your future account balance.
Your future account balance is $999.
Okay. What do you mean?
Not up.
Your future account balance is $999.
He say in your future account balance is 999 billion naira. Congratulations. Congratulations. Congrats. Oh yeah, you can go. Who be next? Who want take your future account balance? Your future account balance. Oh yeah, come. Okay, stave your leg here, okay. How much? Bring money.
Okay, money.
Bring your money now, then they do free now for you. You want to check your future account balance, they give me 1,000. Now 1,000 you give me oh yeah, stave your leg here. Stave your leg, go back small. Go back. Oh yeah, stand there. Not talk.
Your future account balance is 1,500. Your future account balance is 1,500.
Miracle plank. Shebi here waiting talk. He say your future account balance is 1,500 naira.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, congrats. 1,500 naira. Baba, you can go. Come check your future account balance. How much you carry? Oh yeah, bring her. Oh yeah, put your leg here. Wait. This plank, it will tell you your future account balance. You understand? So now raise this leg and put her here. Raise and put her.
Come on your leg. Your future is 0. No try am.
Come, okay? Shebi here waiting talk. Where do you stand there look for again now? You say your future account balance is empty. You don't even get future. Okay, they go. You don't get future now. You know now me and you here now.
But for the plan, I don't put up my own.
So now waiting you tell me, I tell you.
For the plan, but I get put up another.
That one now you sabi you. Me I don't see this kind of person like before. Person no get future. Account balance 0. Wahala.